Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the LG Refrigerator Dispenser Drip Tray. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new dispenser drip tray. The dispenser drip tray catches the drips from the dispenser. The manager should be changing it out so if it's lost or damaged and you're getting water leaking on the floor. The dispenser drip tray is located at the bottom of the dispenser on the refrigerator door. In order to get it off, we're just going to pull it out so the tabs release, and you can slide it off and pull it off the door. Here's the old dispenser drip tray next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. In order to put the new drip tray in, you just want to line it up, push it back in so the locking tabs lock in. Once you have it installed, you can plug the refrigerator back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.